Today we're going to create a cover letter and a resume. We're going to begin by creating a letterhead first. First thing we're going to do when we create the letterhead is we're going to make sure that we have our Show Hide button on so that we can see what's happening on the screen. And then we're going to change the theme colors. By default, Microsoft Office comes with theme color of the Office setting, and we're going to change that to where it's the theme color but urban. So we're going to come up here to change styles, colors, and we're going to come down here and select urban. That's going to change the colors of our headings. When we change our styles, the color will automatically change with it. Now we're going to begin typing in the text. We're going to type in Lena, Halima, Canaan, and hit the Enter key. Now we're going to move our mouse up to the left side. See how my mouse changes to the left pointing arrow? There, it's a straight left pointing arrow, and click. That's going to select our entire line. What we're going to do now is use our Grow Font button, which is these two little buttons right here. This is the increase and decrease font. And we're going to increase it to 20. Every time we click it, our font's going to change and get larger. You go past 20, it's fine. Just hit the decrease to take it back down to 20. Now we're going to go and change the text color. Click on here, and we're going to change the text color to teal accent to darker 25%, which is over here, and you'll see where it says teal accent to. Teal accent to darker 25%. If you don't have the teal accent to, you haven't changed the theme color. I'm going to click on that. Now we're ready to insert some clip art. We're going to click at the back of this to select it. Again, I want my Show Hide came off. I'm going to click down here so that my insertion point is located in the line below my title. I'm going to come up here to my Insert tab, Insert Clip Art, and since Lena is a teacher, we want to insert some clip art that has to do with the teacher. So over here on our clip art taskbar, where it says Search For, I'm going to take that off, and we're going to type in teacher. Make sure that you're searching in all collections everywhere. If this top box isn't checked, that's the one you're going to want to check to find the clip art we're looking for. Click Go. Take a few minutes, but the clip art we're looking for is this red apple with the black trim. We're going to click on that to select it. We don't need this box anymore, so I'm going to click on it to close it. Now with our clip art under here, you can see it's a little too large, so we're going to change the shape. Since we have it selected, you can see we have our sizing handles on the side, and we have a new toolbar up here. Picture Tools, Format. We're going to resize our graphic using the Size dialog box. So we're going to come over here to where it says Size, click on the dialog box launcher, and in our size box, where it says height 100%, we're going to change that to 35. When we click over in the width, it's going to automatically adjust the width. We're going to close. Now we're going to recolor our graphic. So right here where it says Adjust, here's Recolor. we're going to recolor it to the Accent Color 2 Light Variation, which is right here. I'm going to click on that. Now we're going to remove a color or set it to transparency. So we're going to come up here to Recolor, Set Transparent Color, and you'll notice our mouse changes. The pointer changes to like a little arrow. And wherever we put that little arrow in, that color is what's going to become transparent. So we're going to put it in the light. Click on it, and our light color becomes a transparent color. Next, we're going to use tab stops to align our text. We've got our insertion point inserted between the paragraph mark and our graphic, right where it's supposed to be. We're going to come up here to our paragraph button, our dialog box launcher on the paragraph. Then we're going to come down here to where it says tabs. Click on tabs, and our tab dialog box opens. Up here in the tab stop position, we're going to put 6.5, and we're going to make it right aligned. We're going to make the text align with the right margin of our page. And click OK. Now when I hit my tab key, you can see I've hit the tab one time because I have that arrow, and it's moved it clear over here to the right side of the margin. If you look up on your ribbon, you can see you have a right tab set now on the ribbon. This is called the tab character. Right here, this is the tab character formatting mark, and then here is the tab marker up on your ruler. Their character looks like on your ruler. Now we want to make sure that our address font is the same color as the rest, so we're going to come up here to our font, click on our color, make sure it is the teal accent to darker 25%, and now we're going to type in Lena's address. The next step is to insert a bottom border in the paragraph. With the insertion point here located at the right side, the right margin of our address, we're going to click up here on the border button, which on the paragraph key looks like the little window, the window pane. And we're going to click, and you can see we have different borders that we can select. We're going to select the bottom border. This is going to put the border all the way across the bottom of our paragraph, not just underline the line, but it puts the border on the paragraph. Now when we when we click on the enter key, remember we're entering a new paragraph. So everything, all the formatting that we've done is going to go down to the next paragraph with us. So when I hit the enter key, my paragraph border is also going to go down. But we don't want the paragraph border in this paragraph. We want it up in this paragraph. So to do that, come up here to the font grouping, and here is our clear formatting. When I click on that, clears formatting in this paragraph, you can see, and moves that border back up to the previous paragraph. Now over here, you can see our email address for Lena is now underlined, and it's a different color. If I put my mouse over it, it tells me if I hit Control plus the click key, Control plus the mouse click is what that refers to, it will take me to that link. It will take me to my default email address and automatically put her email address in that. We don't need that in a header. We just need this to be text. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click, put our mouse over it, and right click. We have a drop down box that comes up, and we're going to put remove hyperlink, and it takes that hyperlink away. And now we've finished the letterhead portion of our assignment.